Hey everybody, it's just a few words to let you know that I did do some videos but did not post them. But if you could watch them and hope you like them. There's some things around the farm. Plus our sister's trip up to Baudette this weekend. I'll put some photos of that at the end. Well, I got the cart loaded up with a bag of chicken feed and dog food. And off we go to haul it to the house or wherever it's got to go. Kind of a bumpy ride, but I'm hoping the lawnmower man, Mr. Brody, comes over today. I'm trying to struggle through this grass. Alright, I've got to unload here. I don't know if you notice here, but I'm paying more for my feed. But look at the crap that's in there. What is this? Ain't very good. It's like sawdust. A couple of hens trying to dust. Oh, there's like 3 of them there. I just thought it was 2. Get all them winter bugs off. Yeah. We made their pasture bigger. So they're having fun finding all kinds of cool spots. Shaky. It's always when you zoom in, everything gets shaky. Well, everybody's enjoying their new expanded pastures, so to speak. Hey Chunk, how you doing? Yeah, them tiger lilies don't bother you guys at all. I'm sure pretty soon they'll have a nest built in there somewhere. And yeah, I get enough fencing, I can expand some more, but got to keep the fox out, so we got to have the high fence. It's just not cheap. Let's see, the raspberries look like they're doing pretty good. The chickens like to crawl under there and make their little nests. The ducks too. They'll have this all down in another month. If I had geese, it'd only be 2 weeks. They eat everything compared to the chickens and ducks. But see that little chicken there? People say, oh, they don't eat grass, but oh, you shouldn't have them eat grass. But they also get enough rocks and grit and other things to grind it up so it doesn't bind up in their crop. And I still feed them some corn and oats just for some scratch. I should literally just buy some scratch, but it's pretty pricey at the feed store. You are. Here. No, right here. You're bound and determined you're not going to do it, huh? All right. There's a duck sleeping in the nesting box. Silly little thing. Can't really see with my screen on, but he's in there. One of the crested. All right. Way up there in the second box she was. And there's one of the crested. Silly. Well, it's July 2nd. The boys are over, mowed the yard, and looks a lot better. Oh, see, it got so high that the foxtails grew. Can't rake this stuff up to give to the chickens or ducks, because the last thing they need is foxtails. But I don't know if you can see down at the road. Mom's daisies are growing. There'll be some tiger lilies coming in there soon. But here's the plum tree over here by Mom's. It's got a lot of plums on it. It's loaded. Hopefully it'll have enough to make some jelly. I like plum jelly. And here's some surviving daisies, even though the weeds are taking over Mom's stuff. But she's got a bunch of flowers back there that's we got to try and do something with. Cutest little flowers. Yep. And along the front of her trailer house, there's more daisies growing. So we used to keep all this mowed, so they never got a chance to grow. Of course, there's some of that crazy woodbine back there. I don't know if you can see it back there, going up the side of the house. Lots of daisies. Some weird bug. Yeah. This is what Mom used to call Indian tobacco. I don't know what that weed is, but it looks pretty. Poor daisies get mowed off. But yeah, here's some of that woodbine. Right next to the burning weed. Of course. There's a couple purple irises coming through the grunk. Oh, so much work to do and two bad knees to try and do it on. I am sure appreciative of the boys, my brothers, nephews, coming to help. But I got a lot I need to get done, and this week I work every day till the 8th, so I'm not going to be getting a lot done. I don't know if I'm going to get a video out tomorrow or not. Trying. Brought them some fresh greens to see if they'd like it. Chickens aren't too full. They know that that's the same stuff they have in the pen. I don't think anybody really cares for that weed there. Enjoying that fresh, cool water? Yeah. Second day in a row I overrun the water bin. Oh, get busy doing something else. I think once the ducks notice it, they'll enjoy it. Oh, hi everybody, this is Nita. It's July 6th, and it is a warm one. It was 73 degrees at 11 o'clock this morning. And yeah, I'm in my car, gonna be heading to work. I have one more of 7 in a row. And just trying to have a good day. I was out with the chickens this morning, took them some scraps. And they love them watermelon rinds. And yeah, I'm just be glad when this day is over, because it's a muggy one. They're talking might get some storms later, so hopefully not. I'll talk with you later. Don't go out of focus. Isn't that cool how it lights up the whole cloud? There's my tiger lilies. Getting ready to bloom. You see them against the trees, they don't look so impressive, I guess, but I'm out by Mom's tree and looking at the new growth that comes in reddish yellow and before it turns green, but it's looking pretty good. Looking pretty good.